Our office provides a treatment method for sleep-disordered breathing. Sleep-disordered breathing includes snoring and sleep apnea. If you snore, are overweight, have high blood pressure, or have crowded teeth and a small lower jaw, you may be at risk for having this condition of sleep apnea. There are many symptoms of sleep apnea. For adults, the most common one is daytime tiredness. Their body is working all night long to breathe, which leaves them fatigued and feeling in a fog. But for children, they exhibit the opposite behavior. They will often show signs of hyperactivity and being unable to sit still. This video depicts what happens when a person is sleeping. The tissues in the back of their throat will become relaxed as they get deeper into sleep. When they collapse completely, they can cause a blockage so the air doesn't get into the body. This blockage then makes the brain send out a distress signal, which is the release of adrenaline. The adrenaline release can happen hundreds of times per night, which is what makes a person so exhausted the next day. To find out if you may be suffering with sleep apnea, it is recommended that you speak to your doctor. He or she may require a test called an overnight sleep study. This may be done in the privacy of your own home or in a lab or hospital setting. From your diagnosis, you may be advised to seek medical treatment. The most common treatments are a CPAP machine and surgery. Both of these have some undesirable side effects. At the Center for TMJ and Sleep Disorders, we provide a dental device for treatment of snoring and sleep apnea. Not only is it comfortable and easy to wear, but it's small and easy to take along when traveling. People tend to wear them long after 18 months. Although there are side effects to this treatment, they are generally mild and well tolerated. A breathing evaluation will determine what steps you need to take. Give our office a call at 1-888-TMJ-SLEEP or visit us on the web at tmjsleepcenter.com.